this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And to all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So if you want to see how I came about this look here, please stay tuned. And me, your girl, I shall see you on it. Hey guys, the first thing that I'm going to do is to apply my moisturizer. All of you know that before I do anything on my face, I always go in with my moisturizer. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that moisturizer all over my face. The next step that I'm going to do is to draw my eyebrows. So right now, I'm just going to go in with my waterproof eyeliner and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. You can see that. The next thing that I'm going to do, I already done this one, so I'm going to do this one. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to go in with my LA Gel for concealer and I'm going to try to fix my eyebrows. So guys, as I was what I'm going to do on Mondays, I'll be trying, because I normally only post on Friday, all of you know that, but I'm going to try to post on Mondays. But on Mondays, I'm just going to do simple thing. It's like an each and everyday makeup that I do when I go out to work or when I just go out to do some things, so run around. So I'll be doing some makeup, especially maybe the eye look, eyeshadow look, and how I take care of my acne type of videos like that. I think I'll start posting them each and every Monday. So how I take care of my acne type of videos like that, I think I'll start posting them each and every Monday. So I think it will be best for me to be able to upload on Monday, and to be nice for me if I'll be able to upload on Mondays and upload on Fridays. So I'll just add another schedule on my busy days. I'll just try to make videos for Mondays. So yeah, I think that will be a great idea actually for me. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with this color here. I don't know if you can see it here. So I'm going to try to make sure that I try and schedule my videos. So I'll try to upload my videos on Mondays again. I think that will be nice for me to do that, instead of you guys only wait for me only at the end of the week. Okay guys, the next color that I'm going to go in with, okay, before I do that, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm going to try to apply concealer so that my eyeshadow look can be more realistic. So okay guys, now I'm going to go back and use my LA Gel concealer. Guys, this is the simple as if you're trying to learn how to do your makeup. If you're a beginner, this is the simple step that you can do. It's really very simple. It's simple as ABC. So if you're not that person who's fond of doing a lot of makeup, if you're not someone that likes to put a lot of makeup on yourself, so this is the easiest thing that you can do. This is the easiest makeup that you can apply. and this is how you can do your eyebrows. This is how you can do your... Okay guys, I'm going to go in with this gold color here. I'm going just to pick that one. Because I'm going for a golden black eye look. Top of a smoky eye, but not really smoky eye, so yeah. So okay, I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Concealer, then we go in with... If you are busy, especially if you are working and if you go to university, if you have other lifestyle, it's nice for you to have something. It's nice for you to be able to schedule your videos, because I know that sometimes some people end up not posting videos every week. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and try to put my eyelashes because, as you know, I don't know how to put my eyelashes on video, but I'm trying. I've been learning, so I'll try to put my eyelashes on video. But for now, I'm just to go out and put my eyelashes, then I'll come back again so that we can finish our makeup. Okay guys, the next step that I'm going to do is to apply my foundation. Today I'll be using Kat Von D, so I'll do the video where I'll be reviewing this foundation. It's really amazing. I love this foundation. I actually did a video, but I think I lost my video, so I have to do another video where I'm reviewing this. So this guys time, so it is. So for me, I made sure that I scheduled my videos already, so every time I do my makeup, I always make sure that I take a video and, you know, edit the video. Then after editing the videos, then I go and upload, and I make sure that I schedule my videos as much as I can, because you never know what can happen. Anything can happen in life, so you know, I have to be always ready. So that is why you see, if you can see, I already scheduled my YouTube channel until the 5th of April, which I still have other videos that I didn't schedule yet, but actually I did my videos from January to April, to the end of April. I already have the videos that I know which video is going to play. So guys, I just finished putting my pink lipstick. Now I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner, and I'm going to try to do the ombre lip look. Hey guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. As you can see, this is the final look. So just tell me what you think about this look. This look is simple for those people who are trying to do their makeup. So if you want to know how to do makeup, this is the simple step. You don't contour, you don't do anything. You just put foundation and do your eyebrows, your eyeshadows, and you're done to go. Thank you guys. See you again on my next video, and may God bless all of you. Bye.